Kids will love this cup corn with butter recipe. Why not get them to help remove the corn kernels using this simple technique? It can be a lot of fun. We start by removing one row of the corn kernels using the back of a spoon. Push down the rest row by row and see how easily we can get whole kernels out of the cob. Spread the corn kernels on a plate and steam for 6 minutes. The corn should be cooked after 6 minutes. Transfer them into a bowl. Add some salt and butter and mix. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.